Just arrived at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2019 Chevrolet Blazer LT SUV that is GMC Factory Certified. On the exterior of this Blazer, we have heated and power door mirrors, a power liftgate, and a rear backup camera. Inside, we have comfortable cloth seating for 5, remote keyless entry, and power driver seat. The 8-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology and Apple CarPlay to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Chevrolet Blazer has less than 22,000 miles, is GM Factory Certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Call Tameron at 251-626-2641 or visit us on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.